I just scrolled and it made the metal pipe sound in real life. Stewie, I just liked a video and now my phone thinks I'm a different person.
Congratulations, you've been algorithmically reincarnated.
No, seriously, it's only showing me raccoons cooking pasta.
It's not an algorithm. That's enlightenment.
Wait, now I'm the raccoon.
Oh, good. You've crossed the content event horizon.
Why am I holding garlic bread in first person?
Because your last 3 brain cells hit accept all cookies.
I just scrolled and it made the metal pipe sound in real life.
Yes, reality now has sound effects. Try not to trip, it might bass boost.
Oh no, the comments are talking to me.
Ignore them, Peter. They can smell fear and low attention span.
Says bro fell off, but I'm standing up.